Biology, Part 242. Our practical way of attempting to classify organisms is to place them into groups according to visible external features. You can try this for yourself by examining the diagrams given in the figure. These show a variety of organisms which are often found inhabiting fresh leaf litter. To help you carry out the exercise, a number of questions are listed in the table. You should answer them and then move along with them. I can share those questions with you. Supposedly they are: how many pairs of legs? Is the body divided into segments? Are the wings present? Are there visible tail appendages? Are antennae there? Antennae being present. Describe the antennae where they are present. And we can have different answers to different species, of course. A method like this can be useful in the beginning of the process of classification and often reveals a number of natural grouping. You will have discovered, for example, that all the organisms with 3 pairs of legs also possess antennae, and it seems reasonable to suppose that must be related. On the other hand, some problems are obvious, in particular which features should be regarded as more important in cases of conflict. For example, specimen D and I both have tails, appendages, but while the D has many pairs of legs, has only 3 pairs. Should they be classified together or apart? Equally, are all the organisms that at the adult, or there could be some of it in the larval stage? In attempting to solve the problems like these, taxonomists would study many additional features, including the life cycle, internal anatomy and biochemistry, development and behavior of the organisms. Taxonomy has become a complex science. Nevertheless, much classification still depends upon the subjective interpretation of the facts. Identification keys. Biology students encounter a rather different set of problems in field work when they are required to identify specimens from a particular habitat. Field guides contain identification keys for these purposes, usually consisting of a series of alternative clues based on the external features of the different organisms. The first step in preparing a key is often to complete a table of similarities and difficulties and differences very much like. That's what we find in the table as well, and we can very quickly draw them. We can give you the list of the same. There are jointed legs present. Either go to the clue number 1. Then there are no legs. Then there are 3 pairs of legs, more than 3 pair of legs, 4 pair of legs, more than 4 pair of legs, wings present, wings absent, tail appendages present, no tail appendages, antennae longer than the body, antennae shorter than the body, 2 tail appendages, single tail appendages, double back underbody, lost body segment shorter than the others, lost body segment similar in size to the others, large clap-like pincers, no large pincers, body in 2 sections, no clear body division, tail appendages present, no tail appendages, branched bristle-like antennae unbranched, long tail appendages resembling antennae, tail appendages short not like the antennae, oval body, elongated body, tail appendages present, no tail appendages, body appendages, no tapering towards the tail, body not tapering. There are weevil larvae, blowfly larvae, and the beetle mite and the gasmate mite, the cockchafer larvae, proteron larvae, and so on. So these are the hints to get along with the cues.